In this video, we need to set up the slicer to pass what type of filament you are printing with. Over here on the left for printer, I actually have 4 different slicer settings. One is standard, which passes material only. One is camp, which runs the camp purge line instead of the normal lower left corner purge line. We have plate selection if you install that. And then we have camp and plate selection. All 4 will pass the material as that's needed for Z offsets per material. The way to set this up is go down here to your system preset, the standard, call that up, click the little pencil here, go to machine G code. You have machine start G code. Click on that pencil. We will be replacing this whole section. You go out to the repository, and we've been down in quick start, so we're going to scroll back up and we're going to go to installer, extras, camp adaptive purge, and here are slicer templates. So in here is G code for all four different slicer profiles I talked about. I've started one for Orca, but I don't have that finished yet. So for now, we're only going to do the Creality start material G code. We're going to click on that, and this gives you the whole G code file. So in this, click in there, press Control A, Control C to copy. Now we're going to go back to Creality Print. In here, we're going to click in here. We're going to hit Control A, hit delete, and then Control V to copy. So what we've added, this should be an exact copy except for this part of the line up here, which is material equals filament type. So that's added in so that you can store your offsets per material. Click OK, and then I typically do a save as, and I save mine as standard. You can name it whatever you want. So we'll get out of there. Then I would choose standard, and that part is complete. You can go through and do the same thing for all 4 slicer templates. Create a new one or just replace what you have and do a save as, and you can name them for whatever you want, for whatever makes sense to you.